In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate Mobirise button. We'll use Mobirize's built-in animation on scroll feature, which adds a smooth entrance effect as a section comes into view. This is a quick and reliable way to draw attention to your call to action without adding custom code. Start by logging into Mobirise and opening the project you want to work on. Once your project loads, navigate to the page and find the block that contains the button you want to animate. In Mobirise, your page is built from stacked content blocks, and this setting works at the block level, not on individual elements. That means the animation will apply to the entire block, including your button, text, and any images inside that same section. When you've located the correct block, move your cursor over it and click the block parameters icon, the small gear that appears near the block. This opens the settings panel for that specific block. Look for the option labeled Animation on Scroll and switch it to On. The moment you enable it, you've activated an entrance animation for everything in that block. As visitors scroll down the page and that section becomes visible, the content will animate into view, and your button will be part of that motion. This approach is perfect when you want a cohesive reveal that feels polished and consistent. It's also helpful for highlighting a key button without overwhelming the rest of the design. Since the effect is block-wide, it keeps timing and pacing consistent, which often looks better than animating items separately. A couple of practical notes will help you get the best results. If there are multiple buttons in the same block, they'll animate together, so place your most important button in the block you want to spotlight. If you prefer only a single button to animate without the surrounding content, consider using a block that contains just that button so the block level animation remains focused. Also, keep an eye on the density of content in that section. Cleaner blocks tend to animate more smoothly and feel more intentional, which is great for user experience. That's all it takes. Open your project, go to the block with your button, open block parameters, and turn on animation on scroll. Your button will now animate as users reach that section of the page, giving your design a subtle, professional touch while keeping everything simple and maintainable.